Hi everybody, I'm Dirk Schaar from Industrielle Automation, the German magazine. We are here on Sensor Test 2015, and today I want to introduce you Mr. Bart van Liempd from the company Expo.
Good.
Nice to meet you here.
Hi, nice
Hi.
meeting you, Dirk.
Hi.
Okay.
So today we want to talk about a new concept, but
Yep.
I want to ask you if you can introduce your company for the first.
Okay. Expo Global OEM Sales. We are my name is Bart van Liempd, as I said. I'm the general manager of Expo Global, and we are a supplier of infrared temperature sensors, and we supply that to the OEM market worldwide. And basically from very small sensor technology, IR sensors, to very custom specific solutions. And it's all about non-contact temperature measurement.
At Sensor Test 2015, you present a new concept. I've
Yes.
heard and I've seen it.
Yeah.
Its name is Sensoranics.
Exactly.
So, what is it?
Sensoranics, it's a new methodology that we brought into the market, and it's based on very innovative sensor technology, on smart mechanical engineering, and on top of that the thermal management know-how, and that is supported by 75 patents on infrared technology that we have. And that is the basis of Sensoranics. And to give you a little idea, it's like a house. If you have a house, if the cement of the house, if the continuously innovative sensor technology development that we do in infrared, and then you have the walls. The walls, it's the mechanical engineers, smart mechanical engineers that you have from our customers, and the mechanical engineers from Expo. But on top of that, we have a roof, and it's the thermal management know-how that we have, and that is so unique that we have that. Build that onto that on the house as a roof, and that you have a complete house. And that is the basis of the new methodology, based on that thermal management that we do. If you work that all together, then you're coming to very optimal solutions for customers. And sometimes you can, and I can show you quickly, this is an infrared sensor, yeah? Very small, and because we have it in very small, but then if you look, and that has been designed together with the mechanical engineers from the customers, that is what we have done with Liempd packet, for instance. And the gold one, as we call it, it's developed for a big company in the United States, where it's a complete thermal management based design on infrared technology with the mechanical parts on that. That is how we have built it.
And how can the customer profit from Sensoranics, and what are the difference to other products in the market?
And that is always the question that I'm looking for. From what is the benefit of it? A customer, what you see in the market is that there are always three things when they're designing a new machine, for instance. They want higher speed. Yeah, my machine, I want it a higher speed. Better quality and good priced. Yeah, and that is the basis. We have a program also called Speed Boost Program, but it's the concept that you then bring together, that you come to a solution that these 3 points also, higher speed and a better quality, is realized. And you only can gain that by going beyond normal standard infrared technology. You cannot support that in many ways. Many OEM companies come to us because they have a problem that they cannot solve. Yeah, they need a solution, but it's the solution that you only can get with Sensoranics.
Customized solutions or sensors are very expensive. So, what is your solution?
The solution is, if what I told you, the golden solution that we had for a customer is that based on the sensor, that is the standard sensor, but also a little customized, but it does not add any cost to that. And then the mechanical for the thermal dynamics and the thermal management on it, it's very low cost, so that the end price is still that good for a customer that they can increase their sales, yeah, in the future. That's the goal, and that is where we were working to. So some of the developments are shorter, some of the developments are longer, but directly coming to that point.
Which branches or which application do you want to address with the products?
Basically, you have an enormous amount of opportunities in the OEM market. We are in the printing industry, digital printing industry, in the medical industry, in the cosmetic medical industry, but also in the food industry, in the plastics industry, automotive industry. And we are even in the automotive and also in space, that where our sensors are used. But coming back to digital printing, for instance, HP, Hewlett Packard, is the largest company in the world for digital printing, the biggest digital printing. We had a big challenge for a solution to make the machine up to 15% higher in speed. That was the challenge that we had, and we were able to fulfill that. And that spread out all over the world to all the manufacturers in the digital printing industry, and that is, we are now a little recognized as a leader in the digital printing industry. So, and that is also in the medical industry.
Very interesting solution. So Bart, I have to thank you for the interview, and I wish you a successful Sensor Test 2015, and see you.
And the last thing that I would like to say, Dirk, is that we have, for all the applications that we have done, there was never one customer we let down. Not one.
That's
Thank
good.
you very much.
Thanks.
Okay, bye-bye.